Hello everyone, today I am discuss about basic QoS configuration. What is the QoS? QoS means quality of service, and it is referred to the ability of network to provide better service to selected network traffic over various technologies. It including Ethernet and IP networks. Okay, now I move to doing my today configuration part. Okay, you can see today my diagram. It have three networks. You can see I'm already assigned PC IP address. You can see, and also their interface router interfaces I'm already assigned. You can see, and this is our server or DNS server. Okay, today my first part is configure between two routers using IP route. Okay, let's go to router 1. Enable configure terminal IP route. All the interface and network I select 0.0.0, and next hop IP address is 172.16.12.2. I do show IP route. Okay, you can see IP route is done, and go to next router. CLI enable configure terminal IP route 172.12.16, 16.12.1. Do show IP route. Okay, it is done. Okay, now I move to doing next configuration part. It is QoS setting for router 1, and I am apply outbound in this interface, this router, this interface. Okay, first I am create QoS configuration part, and first I am create class map for HTTPS, HTTP and ICMP protocols. Okay. Now go to router and type class map HTTPS map and match protocols HTTPS and exit. Next I type HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, match protocol HTTP and exit. Now I type ICMP map. ICMP and exit. Now I type do show run section class map. You can see all the class map are in here. Okay, now next I go to server and service, create DNS server. Type CiscoQoS.com and IP address is this server IP address 10.0.12.100. at and on DNS server. Okay. Now I send packets. Failed. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Why it's not working? Yeah, it's working. Yes, now it's working. Okay. Next, I create policy map for router 1. Next, I type policy map G out and type class HTTPS. First time type HTTPS, then map and type set IP DSCP AF31. Yeah, you can see this DSCP means differentiated service code point. It is used in QoS services. Okay, and you can see this AF31. It is mean assured forwarding class 3 and first is a part for differentiated service update. Okay. Next, I type their priority percentage. Okay. This is priority percentage. Percentage means it is a method for using network traffic management to allocate bandwidth to different type of traffic based on their importance. Okay. QoS mainly use for priority percentage. 10% used for best effort traffic and 20% used for mission critical data and 30% used for video traffic and 40% used for voice traffic. Today I am using 10%. It's mean best effort traffic. Okay. Now press exit. Now I exit. Okay. Next I type class HTTP map set IP DSCP AF30 to AF32 and their bandwidth percent is 10 and exit. Now I type class for ICMP. ICMP. Their DSCP C52. Okay. Oh, sorry about CS2. Okay. And their bandwidth percentage is 5 and exit. Now do show run section policy map. You can see all the policies are in here. Okay. Okay, this work now, and now I press exit. and type interface G00, this interface. Service policy output G00. Okay, see out and press exit. Okay, it's closed, and now I try to ping. Ping code.com. You can see packet is sent. Okay, now I go to simulation mode and ping our DNS server. Okay, you can see. Okay, start. And now you can see, now message is this place, and okay, you can see it is now in router 2. I selected router 1 and uncheck the inbound PDU and outbound PDU. You can see all the is now DNS, and it is now we start ICMP, and I forward, and you can see now is router 2. You can see now router 1, and now I press router 1, this ICMP, and check the inbound and outbound. You can see all the inbound and outbound details are in here. You can check it. Now I go to real time, and next I press simulation mode, and I'm trying to web browser and try to type Cisco.com and go. You can see now HTTP protocols, and you can see TCP now start. I check router 1, inbound and outbound. You can see this change their values. DCP, this is this value, and you can see outbound value is now change. You can see it is work perfectly. We are configure parts, all the parts are work perfectly. You can see HTTP percentage 10. Okay, now I try to real time, and now I try to simulation mode. HTTPS go, and DNS I forward fastly, and you can see this HTTP. I'm checking inbound, and next you can see router inbound value, and you can see all the details, PD information are in here. Yeah, you can see now we start HTTPS. I'm check. You can see this value inbound PDU details and outbound PDU details are different. Okay, that is all about today my video. Please share with your friend and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.